I'm sure most men have asked this question at some point of their lives. Why does she make such a big deal out of nothing? And I'm sure most women have complained to their friends, why does he not communicate? Is it really because men are from Mars and women from Venus, basically from different planets? Are they really? Hello, welcome to the lounge with me, Rajat Kapoor. Today on the show we'll have guests who will be talking about how they cannot live without the opposite sex, but they have their own set of complaints about them. My first guest tonight is Komal.
Hi, I'm Komal and I'm a trainer by profession. I manage training for a leading supermarket stores in Mumbai. While there could be a number of reasons what we love about men, of course, what tops the list as far as not liking about men or what irritates me the most is when you're in a group, and especially me being a working woman, where there are all these men out there who think no end of themselves and keep intimidating women, the typical MCP category of men. So they are the ones I passionately hate. The other things which are though a little small and tiny in nature, but of course are a huge irritating factor, are throwing the wet towel on a newly made bed, freshly made bed, walking all over the house with muck on their shoes, and I could go on and on, but these are things that top the list as of now.
Hello, Komal.
Hello.
Thank you for coming on the show.
My pleasure.
You complain a lot? About what?
It's mostly small things. When I'm talking to you, why the hell can't you just look at me? Why are you looking all over the place when I'm talking to you?
He doesn't look at you?
He does, but not the way I'd like it.
I have the same complaint with my wife. Really, because when I'm talking to her, she's, what? Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. What was the most absurd complaint that he made against you?
I'm an honest person, so I'm going to be honest here.
Yeah, please, I'm glad you're honest.
Why can't you just give me my own space if I come back from a party? Right. Not make it like a questionnaire session once I'm back home.
Right. But do you think women are more curious by nature?
Yes.
Some kind of a control?
Well, I think it's not about control. It's just about a probably feeling of comfort that I know it all and nothing's been hidden from me.
That's
you know, as you said,
complete control thing.
No, it's not a complete control thing.
Of course it is. What is your biggest complaint against him?
I'm a cleanliness freak.
Hey.
I'm a cleanliness freak.
Okay.
And I like things to be like absolutely prim and proper. You're like, we've just cleaned the house. Can you like not wear your shoes and be all over the place?
But then do you sometimes turn around and say, of course, what a typical man thing to do? Or does he throw that at you?
Yes, once in a while.
Typical woman.
He's like, all women are the same.
Yeah.
Or most women think the same ways.
You know, in fact, we spoke to relationship expert SONYA MEHTA about the small things, and she agrees with you that it's the small thing actually which is the problem.
I think in day-to-day life, smaller issues are tantamount to big issues, really, because it's the day in and day out, it's the small frictions that add up. I don't think it's the small frictions per se. I think it's when small frictions go unaddressed, when you don't deal with things because they seem too small to make a fuss about, but they still upset you, and resentment sets in. And then the smallest thing can make you blow. So I think it makes sense to have these small issues discussed and dealt with, to tell your partner, you know, every time you talk on the phone for 25 minutes, it drives me crazy, rather than letting it snowball into something that is larger and more out of control.
Emotionally, does he share on why he's low? And
I need to get it out from him. It takes a very, very long time.
You think that's a typical man thing?
It's pretty common in men.
Yeah, why is that so?
The image that they portray or they're required to portray. I'm a very strong person, one.
Tough, strong, capable.
Strong person. I'm the one who's supposed to be responsible for you. So how can I, you know, kind of let you handle my worries or let you handle my troubles?
I'm trying to think, but I don't think these are the reasons. Maybe we can ask Another man. Maybe we can ask somebody from Mars, another creature from Mars.
Great, that would be a great idea.
Anurag, Komal's husband, will join us.
Hi, my name is Anurag and I work as a chef with a 5-star deluxe hotel. What men hate about women, something that tops up the list is that women are highly over-possessive about men. It goes to the extent that they want to check what phones have come in, what phone calls, the messages which have been received, or who all are there with their husband in the office. When you're returning from a party, what do you expect whilst you are home? You want to freshen up and you want to go back to sleep. But it comes to that, your wife wants to know that how many drinks did you had, or who was there whilst you're returning back in the car, and the other things, that what happened in the party. So these are things which somehow become really irritating. As a matter of fact, certain things are really good about women. There are a few things which men definitely hate about women.